always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again.
Mr. Goose! Mr. Goose! Fox has a game she wants to play with all of us.
Well, let's see what it is.
I made up a game called Show Me. But first, we'll need a number. Hedgehog, spin the wheel. Oh, goody! That's it, Hedgehog. That's the special number. Yay! Mr. Goose, what number is that?
That's the number 5.
Okay, Hedgehog. Show me the card with the number 5 on it. Oh, there it is! You did it! Now let's flip the card over and count how many stars there are. Mr. Goose, can you help me?
Of course. Let's count out loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many in all?
5. Hedgehog, you win! Yay! What do I win? You win tickles! Here I come! Kitty kitty coo!
Today's number is 5. Let's explore the island and count together.
Let's count wiggle bugs together. 5. There are 5 wiggle bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many wiggle bugs in all? 5. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture. Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 5. Come on and to do everything 5 times. Clap 5 times. Nod 5 times. Point 5 times. March 5 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me.
Let's count together.
5.
There are 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many apples in all?
5.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Tractor Gets Help. In this story, Tractor's friends help him when he gets sick. Let's read it. Let's begin. Tractor Gets Help. Written by Mogachi Marutla, illustrated by Ntbili Zanki Ohwedits, translated by Alicia Berger. This is Truck. This is Scooter. Truck and Scooter are friends. They are rushing to see their sick friend, Tractor. Scooter is going very fast. Oh no! Be careful! Hello, friends. I am sick. Let's get medicine. You will be well again. Tractor is well again. All of Tractor's friends come to celebrate. What a party! The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog!
I'm going to teach you a song called 5 Little Speckled Frogs.
Frogs? Oh, like you, Mr. Frog!
That's right! Today, you can all pretend to be frogs.
Yay!
I'll sing the first part, and then you sing along with me. How many frogs did I say there were?
5!
Good listening. Here we go. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Now I want you to all sing along with me. I want to hear you sing too. How many frogs are there now?
4!
4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum!
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. How many?
3!
3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool where it it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. How many?
2!
2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. How many?
1!
1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! He jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Well done!
Yay!
Thank you for singing with me. And thank you, too.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Letter Safari! Let's find some beginning letter sounds. Oh, look! Hedgehog has maracas. 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 Do you hear that? Maracas begins with M. Maracas. Monkey has a triangle. 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 What letter makes the beginning sound in triangle? T! That's right. Triangle. Pig is playing a keyboard. 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 What letter do you hear? K! Cool. And Mr. Frog has a banjo. 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 What letter do you hear? B! That's right. Let's listen to the beginning letters again. Maracas. What's that letter? M! Triangle. What's that letter? T! Keyboard. What's that letter? K! Banjo. What's that letter? B! Let's put these 4 letters in our learning book. Say each letter with me. M! T! K! B! All right! Let's make music!
Ooh, oh yeah.
That was awesome! Thanks for going on a letter safari with me. See you soon!
Yes.
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter K. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
I know! Let's trace letters with a glue stick!
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Fox, why don't you go first?
Okay. K.
Great!
I'll try it. K.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I'll trace the next one. K.
Nice job!
I want to try. K. Ooh.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
K.
Exactly. Uppercase K. And what's this letter?
K.
That's right. Lowercase k. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose! K! Monkey! Monkey! Where is he? Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Look! Where do you think Monkey is? Hi! Yay! Hi, Monkey! Hi, Hedgehog! You found me! No, we found you! Hi!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, bringing their tails behind them. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, bringing their tails behind them. Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, bringing their tails behind them.